Hello student, welcome to AAOA YouTube channel. Now today we have to discuss what do you mean by matrix. Plural form is matrices. Now we have to discuss what is matrix and what is the use of matrix, what is the operation of matrix. Okay, it is a very essential tools in mathematics. Not only the mathematics, it used in the various branch of mathematics and also the various branch of science, as for genetic engineering and economics and also modern psychology. Now these essential tools, the matrix, we have to simplify our knowledge with some example. Let us take example. Let us suppose you are a manager. You have a chart to distribute your materials from one godown to another destination. Let us take this example. देख लीजिए. Say you are a manager. There are godown G1, G2 and G3, and there are the destination D1, D2, D3 and D4. मान लीजिए you have the carrying cost from one godown to another destination in 1000 per truck as this 8000, and this is the 7000, this is the 10,000, this is the 9,000, and this is the 5,000, this is 6, this is 7, this is 9, this is 8, this is 7, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, तो ऐसा हो सकता आपका सामने में, आप एक मैनेजर है, एक कंपनी का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है, आपका सामने में ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये वर्किंग चार्ट है, ऐसा भी हो सकता ना. वेरी इजी एक एग्जांपल है. तो बस एग्जांपल का बात इधर ही खत्म हो गया. आज आप आइए हम लोग देख रहे हैं, क्या देख रहा है ये यहाँ से, क्या देख रहा है क्या, इधर में एक अरेंजमेंट है. किसका अरेंजमेंट है? एंटिटीज का, एलिमेंट का, नंबर का, डिजिट का. कैसे अरेंजमेंट है? ये अरेंजमेंट है जो रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट है. ठीक है ना, ये रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट है. ये जो रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट है, ये ऐसा रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट को हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स में एक नया 200 years ago we start this concept, this as the matrix. So what is the definition of matrix? Now we can say the matrix definition is that a rectangular arrangement within an array of elements or member or entities we call the matrix. तो इधर जो रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट हम लोग को मिला, जो एग्जाम्पल से जो मिला, ये है दिस एग्जाम्पल. दिस इज द रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट. This rectangular arrangement within an array we called a matrix. Very simple. आप लोग सोच रहे हैं ऐसा simple arrangement, ऐसा simple definition of matrix. Yes, very simple, but very essential tools in mathematics. This matrix. This is called matrix. Okay. This also can be written as, this also can be represented with this bracket 8, 7, 10, 9, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6. This is also a matrix. Again, we summarize our discussion as that any rectangular representation, we can see a matrix within an array, either first bracket or third bracket. Within an array, we can say any rectangular arrangement is a matrix. Okay. आप बोल सकते हैं सर ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा भी जितना ही भी हम जितना बड़ा जितना छोटा रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट करेगा वो भी आप मैट्रिक्स बोल सकता। हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं। आप मान लीजिए दिस इज 1 2 0 3 5 6, दिस इज ऑल्सो मैट्रिक्स 1 2 3 1 0 0, this is also can matrix 1 1 0 0 1 0, this is also can you can say this is a matrix, and 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 1 0 0, this is also can you say this is a matrix. Yes, this is also a matrix, and this also matrix, and 1 2 3, these also can you say this is a matrix. Okay, all our rectangular arrangement are called a matrix, but this is not a matrix. Say 1 2 3 5 7, these arrangement are not a matrix. Okay, this is not a rectangular arrangement. Okay, all are rectangular arrangement we call a matrix, and usually the matrix we denoted by the capital letter. Say मान लीजिए this is the A matrix, this is the B matrix, this is the C matrix, this is D, this is X, this is Y, and this is F, this is P. All are the matrices A B C D, X Y F V. All can say a matrix. Okay, these are all our matrix.